Rebecca to win souls because the people are really very busy. But anyway, God is good, and He still sits on the throne, and He is in control of our lives, of our ministry, and our family. So, sa ating pamilya, patuloy lang tayo magmahalan, magintindihan, at saka magtulong-tulong tayo sa ministry ng Panginoon. Okay? At ingatan natin yun ang sinasabi namin ni Papa, ingatan natin yung pangalan natin. Okay? Ang dinadala natin pangalan, dalawa. Pangalan ng Diyos at pangalan ng God. Okay? So, ingatan natin yon. Maraming tao, they expect something from us na hindi naman tayo perfect there, but they are expecting something from us. Kaya, ingatan natin yon. Kayong mga anak namin, magmahalan kayo, magintindihan kayo. Wala kay Bong, Rebecca, Leia, Cosme, at saka si Stephen, si Mar. Okay? So, magintindihan kayo kung anong problema. Ganun din kami ni Papa, kung anong problema, mag-unawaan na lang sa isa't isa. Mag-intindihan na lang. Okay? At ang anuhin lang natin ay yung panatilihin natin yung pag-ibig sa isa't isa. Yun ang pinakadakila sa lahat pag-ibig Kaya, sabi nga, faith, hope, and charity, or faith, hope, and love, but the greatest of this is love. So, kung tingnan lang natin yung mga anak ninyo, mga apo namin, pag tinitingnan namin yan, kahit na minsan mahirap ang dinaranas natin, pero pag nakikita kong nagsisipag, kami ni Papa, nabe-bless kami pag ginagawa niyo yung ministry. Tuwa kami kasi talagang tayo ay tinawag ng Diyos dito. Kaya nalulungkot lang ako, wala na si nanay. Okay. Sila ang may pasimuno, kaya tayo nandito lahat. Kaya pagbutihin natin yung iniwan nila sa atin na gawain. Ingatan natin na kahit anong mangyari sa buhay natin, kahit sa tayo, sa pangalan ng Panginoon. Yun ang masasabi ko, yung taong darating na ito, alam ko patuloy pa rin tayo pagpapalain ng Panginoon, at saka kahit may problemang darating, kakayanin natin ito. Because sabi nga ni Paul, we can do all things. Sabi nga ni Paul, I can do all things through Christ who strengthens us. Kaya patuloy lang tayo magtrabaho sa ating mga gawain, patuloy tayo magmahalan, patuloy tayong gumawa ng ating tungkulin para sa Panginoon. Yun lang masasabi ko. God bless!
Okay, this is the first Christmas celebration of the God's family.
Complete.
We just want to... No, I'm only the one who will sit down. I'm not sitting down. I'm just starting to say something. We have enough time. So, Abby, for many years, Maymay, Gisrael, and Jaira, they had spent much time praying for your coming.
Yeah, that's right.
So, this group of kids keep on praying for your family to come. Now it is being done because God is good. Right? 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 I still remember your prayer. Few of you, except Gianna, because
She didn't know how to
she
pray.
didn't know how to pray at that time. But you two, three, you had really spent much time praying for us. So I just want to advise you kids that you have to help one another. Okay?
No fighting.
No. Sit down, listen to me. Don't quarrel each other and don't hurt each other. You are cousin. Okay? You should have to learn, start helping one another. Jaira is your kuya, so you have to listen to him. And you too, you have to teach them how to do what is good. You are also
Second.
the second eldest cousin, right?
Yeah.
You have to set example to your cousin, okay? All of you, you have to set good example, okay?
You need to bring
Sa lahat ng mga celebration natin Christmas, mayroon tayong mga kasama. Pero sa Christmas na ito, for almost about 2 years, there's a family that keep on watching our family. Mayroong pamilya na pinagmamasdan ng pamilya natin. How we do our Christmas celebration and New Year celebration. But we have to set a good example to them. So we are one family celebrating our holiday. We have to excel